Braap. 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 What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto and I'm back. I hope y'all are having a good day. I hope everything's going well. It's 31 July 2020, the year of 2020. Today I'm going to show you my little kit, you know? People show you their concealed carry kits and they show you how high their trucks are jacked up. They show you all kinds of stuff. And I'm going to show you my kit. So this is what I carry when I go riding my Sur-Ron X Black Edition as of right now. And I've been on motorcycles my whole life. I've had multiple, 2 Gold Wings, a CBR 600 double R. I've had an R6. I've had a CRF 450L, and I've had multiple dirt bikes and stuff. But this is just what I came up with. It's pretty simple. You don't want to travel with a lot of weight, but obviously you can't avoid it with this thing. A little bit of the weight is kind of unavoidable if you don't want to have this thing stolen. So I'll show you about why that is. Here's the bag. It's a Sandpiper SOC, Sandpiper of California. Super nice bag, very strong, sturdy. You want your bag to be able to handle a lot, so you want to have a strap around your waist, so that way it'll put some of the pressure off your back and onto your hips. Strap that thing up tight. I've got some gloves. These are like Fly Racing or something like that. Anyhow, yeah, Fly Racing gloves. I've got right now, if anyone wants to buy me a GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition, I'm open to that, so that'd be great. Just PM me on Facebook, buy me one, that'd be great. But until then, I'm running the GoPro Hero 7. I think it's the white edition. It's the cheapest one. It doesn't have the stabilization built in, but it's not bad. It's a really nice GoPro for what it is. It's got a little crack on the screen because I was rough with it and it falls off the bike, gets beat up. GoPro chest mount. This is called the chesty mount. So it goes like this over your head. And that's like that. That's what we're going to wear today when we go for a ride. I'm going to take you guys for a ride and show you exactly how the rides go. I'm going to go pick some stuff up at the store. Pick up some whatever I need to pick up. Okay, so we got that. I actually don't ride with the Pit Vipers, believe it or not. I usually ride with my Oakleys if it's nice out. I've got a Roku knife, just in case, because this is Shreveport. So, yeah, that's all I need to say about that. This is Shreveport. Carry my little knife. I've got my Anchor. This thing's super nice from Best Buy. It's like a 2000 milliamp external battery, and you can charge it with 2 different types of charge plugs, and you can charge 2 different devices at the same time. So you got to keep the GoPro charged up, and you got to keep your phone charged up. I've got this little kit right here that actually, this is made by Thor Racing, and I can put it around some different spots on the frame on the bike. But inside of this, I've got a waterproof bag to put all my items in that need to be waterproofed. You always want to have a waterproof bag for it starts raining. I've got an Allen key to adjust my handlebars. Yeah. No, this is for my light, but I think it also can adjust. Yeah. So this size Allen key, I'm not sure what size it is, but it can adjust. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. But it can adjust either the handlebars or the light, which is the Fisher Fab House light. So you got to have that. Little Allen key. I've got a tire pressure gauge. I also carry my bike pump in my backpack. Bike pump. That's a super nice bike pump. If you go on Amazon, it's called Pro Bike Tool. It's really neat the way it works. And then in here, I've got an iPhone charger in that little bag. I've got my wallet with some cash. Always want to have cash on you. Just a few cards and wallet. This is like the #1 best-selling. It's called a Shirov. Check it out. Shirov or something. It's an Amazon wallet, but it's super cool. Carbon fiber. Low profile. Thank you, Dad. Bought me that. In this bag, I think just a bunch of different chargers. GoPro charger, a bunch of different chargers in this bag. This is like an Ipsy bag. there's a hot girl in your life, just ask her for an Ipsy bag. She'll have one. Some masks, courtesy of Luna Cycles. Thank you, Luna Cycles. My most favorite item. Oh, I wear this. Come on, baby. Oh, I broke my glasses. Hang on, let me put them back together. We'll get back to the video here. Can't really permanently break a pair of Pit Vipers, only temporarily. My chain, baby. How you like that? That's my Kryptonite Evolution Series 4 12mm thick chain. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cut through this thing with an angle grinder. So if the thief has an angle grinder, it's going to take a little while. It also gets super hot, so you got to be holding on to it with a pair of vice grips while you're cutting it with an angle grinder. So yeah, it's got a protective sleeve on it, and then you can get it off of your neck. There we go. This can go through your frame in multiple places on your bike. The coolest spot that it can go through, check this out, folks. I just discovered this. You open up your battery cover, and there's a spot right here in the front of your frame. So what you do is you loop this around something, and then once it's around the pole or whatever it's around, you just go ahead and stick this through that hole in your frame. Boom. Where did I put the key at? It's in the bike. Stick that through the hole in your frame. Stick the lock through. Lock it up. And there you go. Your bike is... The only way they can steal your bike is to completely cut the frame in half. So that's super nice. So let's get on the road with this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That's my kit. Let's go do some ride footage, and I'll upload this whole thing for y'all because I love you. And I'm CJ Moto. And I've got to ride the bike and get you some video footage because that's what I need to do. Don't forget to get your Sur-Ron adapter. You can put any CR80 sprocket on there. I'm not sponsored by Sur-Ron, but you know, if you go to them because you saw it on my channel or whatever, let them know. Hit up Eric Hicks on Facebook and be like, hey, CJ Moto's really repping for your company or whatever, and maybe he'll send me something cool. That'd be cool. Anyhow, then I've got my bike alarm. But yeah, let's go for a ride, guys. Enough talk, more ride. CJ Moto out. Well, now that I'm finally done talking, let's do a wheelie. Sorry that took me so long. I was just talking and talking and talking. You know me. Yeah, we're just cruising around though. Friday afternoon. A little bit of rain came through. Here in Louisiana, they just say it's going to rain every day. And then if it doesn't, people are happy. Bike's running great. She's running strong. Today we took a 20-mile ride, exactly. Right on the money. And here. Let's cut to that footage. Hang on a second. So yeah, the bike did great today. Look at this. We did 20 miles on the dot. We finished off at 42% battery. And 20 miles, like I said, on the dot. That puts us at 169 miles total, which is cool. 69 is a cool number. So now we're back on the road again. We're just on cruising on down the road. We're on the sidewalk, folks. Cruising down the sidewalk, but no one ever walks on this here sidewalk. Did pass some police officers today. They didn't give a shit about me riding the Sur-Ron because it's street legal. And it's electric and it's quiet. So here we are rolling on out of the neighborhood. We're going a little bit out of, wait, where are we? Yeah, we're rolling out of the neighborhood. Jumping some speed bumps. Cruising on out the gate, dog. Now we're like, we skip back. Things are a little out of order here, but I don't care. Just Just a beautiful day for a little ride. I was doing a lot of like 20-mile-an-hour cruising. Beautiful sunset. Stick around because this sunset's going to be absolutely gorgeous, I promise. Look at these trees. Life is so beautiful. There's so much neat stuff to see when you get outside and do stuff other than play video games. This road right here is real thin and narrow, and people park right on the shoulder, so if you're not riding a Sur-Ron, you pretty much can't fit. God forbid someone drives the opposite direction. It's a whole mess if you have a car going down this road. So now we're just cruising down the main road here. Got stuck behind this truck with like I don't even know what that thing is on the back of this truck. We decided to kick her up a notch. We're gonna cruise the traffic a little bit. And it does cruise the traffic. Pretty much anywhere you go in the city, it'll keep up. Just to get outside city limits, you might need that 42-tooth sprocket. But I will tell you one thing. Let's get serious for a minute. My ass is sore as shit. This bike will make your booty sore. Just be aware of that. The new seat apparently is more comfortable than the old one. And the problem might be that I just don't have an ass. I just might not have a butt. I'm pretty skinny. You can probably tell by my skinny little arms. But yeah, I don't know. I want to do a ride to Texas. I want to do a 60-mile trip. And I'm going to probably do it, but I'm probably going to wear road bike shorts with the built-in padding. I think that'd be a good idea. Because, yeah. Whew. Even after 20 miles, your butt's like... I mean, and don't get me wrong, 20 miles, I'm putting around, I'm hot dogging it here and there. The 20-mile ride's pretty long because I'm not trying to get anywhere fast on this thing. I'm trying to have an amazing time, and I'm succeeding. I'm absolutely succeeding. And don't get me wrong, I will take the sore ass, but I'm going to put those padded shorts on if I go 60 miles because those shorts will make a little road bike seat feel good. So either that or I could eventually get the seat reupholstered possibly. But don't let that deter you. You guys will have a blast. And more than likely you have more of a butt than I do. So that's good news. So now we're just going to sit here in line for forever. I skipped that part. This is a beautiful little back road. This is one of the more affluent southern neighborhoods in the area, maybe. You know, where you move if you want to have a house payment for the next 35 years. Now we're going to cruise down the road. Up here you're going to notice something. Ready? Hang on a second. Wait for it. It's coming. Listen to that puppy purr. It is just so incredibly loud with that chain. All you can hear is the chain. Suspension's working great. DNM forks. Oh, there he is. Look. Didn't care. Didn't care even a little. I'm riding an electric powered mountain bike. Leave me alone. And then I noticed this little jumpy area that you saw in the beginning of the video. Yeah, we have some work to do there. You got some work to do there, son. Or maybe you just don't want to crush your rear fender and break your bike. Here it is chained up when I got to Whole Foods. This is the ticket right here. Look at this, kryptonite. I felt so comfortable in the store. Braap, braap. Yes, sir. About 9:30 o'clock. Beautiful. I love this view. Look at them bars. Look at them Pro Taper 3-inch high-rise bars. Look at it. Look at them brake levers. Found out they're adjustable today, by the way. Yeah, check the end of them. You'll see a little spot for a Allen key, which is pretty neat. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't think it's actually gonna last that much longer. I'm sorry for that. You got about 6 minutes of ride footage out of me and a whole bunch of talking. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little kid I have. If you didn't, Stick around because eventually I'll do something you like, I promise. Just beautiful. Wasn't that a beautiful night? That's what this thing does for you. It gets you out there in the elements. Gets you out there just breathing that fresh Louisiana air. All that humidity and swamp. Humid swamp air coming off the Red River. But that is a pretty sky though. Very beautiful. It was a nice night.